Quick action by residents of Waltham Park Road in St Andrew led to the rescue of a visually impaired man who fell into a manhole along the busy thoroughfare recently. Now this evening we will hear the compelling story as well as a call for government intervention. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has the story.
When Nigel Webster left home to get his phone repaired on Monday, little did he know that he would not reach his destination and would instead be transported to hospital in the back of a police vehicle. The reason? This uncovered manhole on Waltham Park Road in St Andrew. He reached out to TVJ News to tell his ordeal.
I was walking above the sidewalk. When I knocked towards it, I feel a little step down. I think it was a road corner side. I was to step down, but it was a hole as there. I never know. So I stepped off and I stepped right down into the deep hole,
Not sure where he was, he cried out for help.
When I dropped down in the hole, there I have to bawl out, murder and, dead and, call out to us for people run come to us. When them run come to us, about 4 men, I have to point me and above the hole.
Quick action by this man and others led to his rescue, but he didn't leave the hole unscathed. Injuries to his feet and upper body, now a reminder of his tragedy.
When he drop in the hole, you can't see him. You have to lay down have to dry him out of that, A deep hole, plus him down in some water where and look, he can't swim because enough water. And if you take a blind man to drop in the hole, feet start out, well, that's go on and see it happen there.
This is one of 3 manholes left open along Waltham Park Road, 3 feet wide, and it's actually quite deep. It was enough to completely cover Nigel Webster.
All the pitney them in a trouble right here now. If they don't know what they do, they have to cut some pitney out of them. I know my first person dropping it. I know my first person dropping there. Because you don't expect it at night time, you are coming. You don't know where you are going, you just walk and whoop, you disappear.
After several hours at the Kingston Public Hospital, Mr. Webster was given a prescription which he says he cannot afford to fill.
The price side at $10,000, I have just got it to $11,000.
He said he only had $1,000. To add to his financial burden, he explained that the incident has kept him from his livelihood of selling small items on the street. He is upset with the scant regard that he claims the authorities have for persons with disabilities and is seeking help.
The hole that I drop in, if any long iron or anything was in there, I drop could have run through me, tear me up, do anything with me, mom could have finally lose my life. Same way.
The residents also have this suggestion for the government.
And nobody talk about they cover them with them teeth. Because here what? If I cover them with them teeth from out of iron, make them out of concrete. Nobody not teeth concrete cover.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.